This video is to show you how to do object number 9 of problem set number 1. Now we're going to go ahead and put in all the information in here, and then we're going to find out that we are 1 dimension short. So let's go ahead and do this, but I'm going to tell you this last dimension is this line here, which is 1.5 inches. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to put one of my corner points at the origin point. Always makes my life easier when I do that. And then I'm just going to draw the shape, careful to get my 90-degree angles in. All I have to do is get it close, and then when I complete it, by putting in all the dimensions, it will make sense. I'm just going to work my way around. Usually go in like a clockwise manner. This right here is going to be 1.5. I can put this in now. But that's your missing dimension, that 1.5. So if you're struggling with it, that was probably why. You can do many other dimensions to make this work. You can get this angle about right. You can put in a couple other dimensions, sometimes a constraint to make it work. But I'm just going to go ahead and give you the one that's going to make it work just about perfect. And sometimes that is a really important skill, to be able to look at something and determine, does that look right, does it not, and kind of create your own information. But you only do that when you're not given enough in the first place. Don't make the habit of doing that all the time, especially when you do have enough information. This should be the last piece of information we need here. Okay. Now, just to show you what happens when I delete that 1.5, I need something telling me either this angle, this length of this line, or some other piece of information. The easiest way to do it is to make this line 1.5, like I said before. To do that, we go ahead and extrude it to the back, so -1 inch. Then we go to our home view, and if you look, that 1.5 made this just about perfect. Kind of see this angle looks exactly right. So add that extra 1.5 in, make sure that you collapse your sketch, save it properly, and that's all you need to do for number 9.